The big misconception about heat. Ask the question, what is heat? And you typically go down a confusing rabbit hole. You are told, heat is the transfer of thermal energy. But what exactly is thermal energy? And what is meant by transfer? What about heat that is not yet transferred, such as the heat from the sun that is still halfway to Earth? You are vaguely told that thermal energy arises from the movement of particles. But exactly what particles are moving so as to generate heat? You quickly discover there are no clear answers to these issues, except to say that when atoms and molecules vibrate, they generate heat. Wikipedia rightly says that the term thermal energy is often used ambiguously in physics and engineering. So we come back to the question, what exactly is heat? Here, we are talking about the kind of heat we are all familiar with, and which we can all sense in our daily lives. Examples include the heat from the sun, a flame, a hot meal, a cup of coffee, body warmth, and so on. In this context, the answer to the question, what is heat, is the following. All types of heat are made of moving photons and nothing else at all. Don't be misled by confusing answers talking about thermal and kinetic energy, convection, conduction, miscellaneous particles, thermodynamics, and so on. When your body feels the heat of a fire, or when a saucepan receives the heat of a cooker, it simply means that you or the saucepan is receiving streams of separately moving photons and nothing else at all. If the heat is still on its way to your hand, to a saucepan, or to planet Earth, the photons of such heat continue moving unchanged until meeting an object. And furthermore, heat is never transferred in the sense of moving from one object to another. The photons that make up heat are absorbed into the object receiving the heat and fully changed. This dissipates the heat. The photons have not been transferred from A to B, yet another misconception about heat. So, why the confusion in science over this subject? The confusion arises from not understanding the true fundamental nature of light energy. To understand this better, please see our sister video about the incredible energy of light by clicking below.